What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zan and I'm a PDR technician. What we'll be doing today is this nasty little dent right here. Whoop. Since the dent is so low and right directly to the body line and so sharp, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the door. I already saw a nice excess underneath. That's where we're gonna try to get our leverage for pushing. Let's do it. What we have here is a really sharp dent. It goes directly through the body line. It's kind of like creased, and it also has crowns going both ways. What makes it so hard is because it's down low on the bottom part of the doors, sharp directly through the body line. So I took off the doors and fixed it on this good hood stand, and normally this here is a good access point, but this Audi has factory holes here and here. Now for the dent, right here, this is the perfect access. I will be using this Dentcraft rod. It has a really nice kick here. It has interchangeable tips, and I'm gonna start with the cherry cap. The round kick here gives me the perfect leverage to push this dent. how it looks in the middle of the way. But at this point I have to move the camera away because it's in my way. I can't see, I can't push, but it needs a little more pushing, then some sanding and polishing, and you will see the after result. So that was that. The doors are back on. The only tool I used for pushing is this one that I showed at the start. I started with the R4 tip with the cherry cap on, then I took it off, pushed with it like this. I did use heat when I was pushing over the body line, just not to crack the paint or anything. And a special shout out to this new Glexo blending hammer. It's really lightweight, looks really cool. You saw me using it, works really great. It has two sides, smaller and a larger one. One is to be more precise for the higher spots, and this one that is wider is to be used on more bigger crowns. So, hope you liked it, hope you liked the repair, hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for joining. Please click the like and the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.